All right, welcome to today's video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as it motivates me to keep pushing out daily content just like this for SMMA owners. So, big question I get a lot is from younger people who are looking to start an SMMA at a younger age. And I want to go over how you can do so with the best budget possible. Close, to probably under 500 bucks. And if you are at a younger age, this is something that you should be pitching to your parents. It's not that I'm trying to pitch you on my program because I really don't need the money. But at the same time, though, there's a lot of value in here for, a cheaper cost, right? So, a lot of people charge $1,000 for their stuff. I have over 50 videos in here. It's under 100 bucks. So that's the first thing, right? Building a six-figure marketing agency, landing your first client in 30 days. This is just something that you're going to want to pick up. If you don't pick it up, that's fine. You could probably learn a bunch of stuff on free for YouTube or from YouTube for my videos as well. So not really trying to pitch you, but it's just something that I would really suggest you to grab, right? So if you're at a young age, you need the right tools, the right strategies, the right implementation. And this will definitely give you all of the stuff that you can copy and paste, and that's your fast track to success, right? I'm not saying that, you're going to be successful right off the rip, but all the things I talk about in this entire program are to help you get your first client in the first 30 days. Okay. And if you don't, you get a full refund. It's fine with me. So yeah, there's that. And if you spend 97 bucks, your first client's going to be more than that. So you already have an ROI on your investment. Now, if you don't want to do so, I'm going to kind of go over the points on how you can get started at a younger age. Because budgets are tight. First off, you need a Wix website, right? You need to get some type of deliverable for clients to go to. You can get a Wix website anywhere from, 100 bucks to 150 bucks. So there's that. And I use Fiverr for this. Second thing you're going to need is a Google My Business. Okay, you need a Google My Business profile because you're going to have that listing. So, if you go to my Google listing here, you can obviously get, so like on my Google My Business here, you obviously have that piece of authority. You can get some of your starting clients start leaving reviews. This is where you're going to have that, authority to be able to, have local business owners contact you, and you have this means of like a listing, it shows you have authority. It shows you're more credible, right? So you want to get that thing rocking. So that's the second piece, right? Website, then your Google My Business. Third thing is going to be like a landing page. So when I talk about sales funnels, you can go to somebody like very, very affordable on Fiverr. Here's somebody who does sales funnels for 45 bucks. I mean, that's pretty good. This is like a more premium page for 345. Obviously I don't suggest you going out and spending that much money. To be practical, I would probably go for the $45 route. There's other people on this who do, sales funnel websites as well. Really good design to ClickFunnels landing page. Like here's another person who does them for like 25 to about 125 to 245. So really just depends on what you're looking for. I mean, this is something that's really good and sustainable. You can look at my landing page that I run traffic to. Okay. And this one, obviously converts very, very well. I paid somebody on Fiverr to kind of design this, make this thing look sexy. I got case studies and just like the graphics and stuff are really, really cool. It's a very high converting landing page for me. It gets us a ton of book calls when I run ad traffic to it. So that's the third thing that you're going to need. The next thing that you're going to need is press. So, getting in press, let me see. So you can get somebody on here to get a press release for you. Some of these start at like 85 bucks. Professional press releases. Let me see here. Here's one. This is one yes, these are the ones where they get you like 400 plus backlinks on all these different sites. And then you now have articles. So now you have pieces of authority that you can use, right? So you have your website. You have nice pictures of you, get some professional photos done, and then you get your press release. 55 bucks the most. That's actually really, really good. And then on top of that, you have your Google My Business, and when you get these articles done, they can now map to your Google My Business. So now if someone searches your stuff, all these articles of authority are going to come below it. So that's a really important piece, right? Now, the next thing you're going to need is your payment processor. So I recommend Stripe. Now, if you are younger, you are going to have to Probably get your parents to sign off on it, because being below 18, you might have some perception of, just getting your stuff flagged, not being able to get, good turnarounds on payments, maybe higher payment costs. So I'd really recommend you having your parents, obviously sign you up for Striper. If you're like over 18, then obviously you can do this on your own, and just sign up as a sole proprietor right now. Don't sign up as, like an LLC unless you're going to make an LLC. If you're going to make an LLC and actually take this thing seriously, I suggest you go to Inkfile. Inkfile is going to charge like $150 to get an LLC, which will protect you from personal liabilities. Personally, I recommend that, because if you don't get an LLC and say, you're doing sole proprietor services, you're a 1099, you get sued, they can go after your car, your house, all that stuff. So you do not want to have that happen. Obviously, consult an attorney for other legal advice. I'm not like an attorney, but I just wanted to put that out there. And then also, when you're at a younger age, you want to understand that you need to be doing like free trials and really getting your name out there and focusing on like pushing out a lot of content. You speaking in some videos, with the face on it might not have as much authority because you're younger. But at the same time, though, I would do like, these Loom videos that I do. If you, have a good personality, have a good tonality, you can make videos that educate business owners, then push out content like this. It's free. Push out content. So getting people organically is going to be huge for you. Your network, local businesses are going to be your first target. You should not go global and go broad right off the rip. You need to go local business route. And start grabbing some clients from that, from those niches. Lead gen's the easiest place for you to get clients. It's easy for you to get results. Also, if you're at a younger age, go partner with a white label company like Agency Elevation, Agency Box, places that will give you social proof and testimonials to make sure that even if you are at a younger age, you can hit the ground running with case studies already that you can use to market yourself. So those are the biggest pieces to really starting this at a younger age. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and the first link in the description is this program here. If you want to grab it, I appreciate it. And also you get access to me in a Facebook group too. So that's cool. So just click the link in the first link in the description and then subscribe if you're new, and I'll talk to you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.